Sometimes, spearfishing is easy. Sometimes, a massive fish swims right up to you and presents a perfect shot. That's exactly what happened today, except my fucking safety was on.
Fuck! Fucking safety! God damn it!
But not all was lost, because my friend saw what happened, took a dive, and was already lined up on another shot, and then he missed.
Fuck!
That fish had no idea how lucky it was. There were plenty of other fish around, but I didn't want them. I wanted that Spanish mackerel, but it never came back to me. Often, in spearfishing, you only get one shot. Or in this case, 2 shots. And we blew it, both times. But just as we were about to throw in the towel, my buddy came up to the surface with this on the end of his spear. He was pumped. We didn't have a scale, but I think it was around 30 pounds. I swam up and finished it off, just in case. There's no way of knowing for sure, but I think that it was the same fish. High fives were had, heads were stabbed, lines were untangled, stories were told, fish were filleted, sashimi was eaten, and photos were taken.